These three bridges are located in bushfire-prone areas. In times of emergency, such as during the 2019 Gospers mountain fire, it is important for residents to be able to have a safe and reliable point of egress.
The old bridges, they were very bumpy and unkept, so to speak, so we have to slow right down to cross those bridges, the old bridges. With the new bridges, brilliant, they're great, they're wider, and there's no issues.
The old bridge was atrocious. It had been past its use-by date. In a heavy vehicle you had to slow down to low gear. There's been a tremendous improvement in the safety. You can now cross the bridge in both directions with a heavy vehicle without having an accident.
Some of the major issues that we've had with our transport networks, like the rest of New South Wales, over the last 12 to 18 months we've had some increasing unplanned weather events. So having this extra money come in means that we're able to keep up that safe level of service to the community for roads across all of our local government networks.